Hello everyone, Lance here. This is part 2 of my 6-month mark video update for my FUE procedure that I have with Dr. Dan McGrath on May 9th, 2022. And today is November 9th, 2022. So in part 2, I'm using my phone here with an HD camera to really show you all what the new hairline looks like at 6 months. As I mentioned before, I had a bigger graft from one of my previous FUT surgeries that was removed. This is kind of like the left middle side of my head. This is the left temporal peak. Going to the back to the middle, now we have the right side of my frontal hairline that's been softened up, as well as the right temporal peak. And I had another bigger graft that was right here at the point that was also removed the day of the surgery 6 months ago. So as I said in the part 1 video, I had 1,378 total grafts placed, divvied up into 1s, 2s, and 3s and 4s. And at 6 months, I'm about 60% of the way done with the progress from this procedure. The day of the surgery, my frontal hairline was buzzed to give a clear path to Dr. McGrath and his techs to place the new grafts. So the hair from my previous surgeries has really grown out, and I can still kind of see new hairs coming in from 6 months ago that were placed, and now they're starting to really wake up and grow. Enough cannot really be said about the team that Dr. McGrath has and his technicians, because they use high-powered microscopes to properly dissect the grafts using 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. And you know, you don't want to have a 4-hair graft in the very front. That wouldn't look right, and that's not natural. So the team who works with Dr. McGrath is fantastic. And overall, I'm just really happy with how things are growing at this point. I don't know how much of a drastic difference in my appearance this surgery will make, but as I've learned, it's a subtle yet dramatic difference, and I'll definitely be the one to see it in the morning when I wake up, in 6 months when I reach 1 full year. So one more pass. This is the middle. This is going to the left. This is the left temporal peak. Going back to the middle, heading toward the right, and heading toward the right temporal peak. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.